Hey everyone, welcome back to Tea of the Week. It's the time of year when your immune system could use some support as we start cold and flu season. Organic Immunity Blend is an herbal tea powered by 5 natural ingredients with benefits for your immune system. Rooibos tea, often celebrated for its vibrant color and nutty flavor, is also a powerhouse when it comes to supporting the immune system. Rich in antioxidants like aspalathin and nothofagin, Rooibos helps to combat free radicals in the body, which are harmful byproducts of cell metabolism that can impair immune function. These antioxidants not only help in reducing inflammation but also bolster the body's defenses against infections and disease. It also contains essential minerals such as iron, zinc, and calcium. Echinacea contains several active compounds which are shown to enhance immune function through their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Echinacea also stimulates the immune system by increasing the activity of immune cells, which help the body fight off invading pathogens. Research suggests that echinacea reduces the chances of developing colds by approximately 58%. It's also known for its ability to increase the production of interferon, a key component of the body's response to viral infections. Elderberries are packed with vitamins C and H, which are crucial for immune function. They also contain a high level of flavonoids, especially anthocyanins, which have strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. The antioxidants in elderberries can help reduce stress on the immune system by neutralizing free radicals and reducing oxidative stress. By enhancing the production of cytokines, elderberries help regulate the immune response, ensuring that the body reacts appropriately to threats without overreacting. Rich in essential nutrients such as vitamins A and C, peppermint supports overall immune function by contributing to the body's defense mechanisms against pathogens. The herb's antimicrobial and antiviral properties make it an excellent choice for fighting off bacteria and viruses that may compromise the immune system. Additionally, peppermint has potent anti-inflammatory properties which can help reduce the body's inflammatory responses. It also acts as an antioxidant, protecting the body from oxidative stress. Hibiscus is rich in vitamin C, an essential nutrient that greatly supports the immune system by stimulating the production of white blood cells. Hibiscus is also loaded with antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which help protect the body against cellular damage and help fight off disease. The anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties of hibiscus contribute further to its immune benefits. These properties can help reduce inflammation throughout the body and prevent bacterial infections that could otherwise tax the immune system. For this week's recipe, we are making Immunity Berry Fizz, a refreshing fruity twist on our Organic Immunity Blend. To begin, steep 2 teaspoons of Organic Immunity Blend tea leaves in 8 ounces of near-boiling filtered water for at least 7 minutes, and then let cool. Muddle some blueberries and raw sugar in a glass, then fill the glass with ice. Fill the glass 3/4 of the way full with the steeped tea and then fill the rest of the way with the sparkling water. Give it a stir, add some extra blueberries, and now your drink is ready to be enjoyed. Thank you for joining us for this week's Tea of the Week. We'd love to hear about your experiences with Organic Immunity Blend or any of our other offerings. Please share your thoughts in the comments on our socials. Happy steeping!